In modern life, many people don't eat because they are hungry. They eat because they are rushed, distracted, overwhelmed, or stressed. As a response, a powerful trend has been growing: mindful eating. Did you hear about it? It is an approach that reconnects attention, body, and food. Mindful eating is not a diet, it's awareness applied to the act of eating. And it's helping people eat less, feel better, and rebuild a healthier relationship with food. Mindful eating is the practice of paying full attention to the experience of eating, the flavors, textures, hunger cues, emotions, and sensations of the body. Instead of eating on autopilot, you slow down, notice, and choose with intention. It's about asking simple questions. Am I hungry or just anxious? How does this food make me feel? Am I eating fast or actually tasty? By bringing awareness to the moment, eating becomes a conscious act rather than an emotional reaction. Many people use food as a coping mechanism, causing chronic stress and emotional overload. Another bad behavior is distracted eating, with screens, multitasking, and rushed routines that disconnect people from the hunger and fullness cues. Americans are increasingly seeking practices that support mental and emotional well-being, not just weight loss. Mindful eating fits this moment perfectly. It doesn't restrict food. It restores connection with the body, with emotions, and with the act of nourishing oneself. Mindful eating is built on small, simple practices that anyone can integrate into daily life. Slowing down, take time to chew, taste, and notice the food. Checking in with hunger, asking, what level of hunger am I? Removing distractions, eating without screens or multitasking. Observing emotions, notice if the urge to eat comes from stress or real hunger. Honoring fullness, stopping when the body feels satisfied, not stuffed. Appreciating food, noticing colors, aromas, textures, and experience of nourishment. These small shifts help people reconnect with natural hunger signals and reduce overeating driven by habit or emotion. Mindful eating is not a treatment for binge eating disorder, and anyone struggling with compulsive eating patterns should seek guidance from a qualified healthcare professional. But research shows that mindfulness-based approaches can support people who experience emotional eating or episodes of loss of control around food. They help by increasing awareness of emotional triggers, reducing automatic eating responses, improving the ability to pause before acting on an impulse, strengthening self-compassion instead of guilt or shame. For many people, mindful eating becomes a supportive tool, not a cure, but a way to build a calmer, more conscious relationship with food. Mindful eating reminds us that food is not just food, it's an experience. When we slow down, pay attention, and listen to our bodies, eating becomes more peaceful, more intentional, and more nourishing. In a world of rush and distraction, this simple practice is helping people feel better, one mindful bite at a time. What do you think about it? Let's try it.